Hi YouTube. We're going to do Kevin Morby and his song Valley. It's off his album Sundowner. It's in E. That's the main verse chord progression. It's just E to B. You play that little fill on the. This is C sharp minor. If you want to, you don't have to play it. B, E, B, C minor. And I'm just going to C minor 7 with my pinky, taking it off and hammering it back on. So that's it. It's in the key of E, and then there is one other chord in it. It's the G sharp minor. After like the second verse, and it builds up a little crescendo, and that ends on this. And then it goes, starts again. All right, and so it's not that. I really like the song. I think it's a great song, by the way. And then there's like a huge guitar solo at the end. And he's playing a lot of double stops. And I would say this is the C sharp minor pentatonic. And then these double stops, you're just taking these two note parts of the pentatonic. Like if you on the, you could take the B and the E string and then hammer on with your pinky at the 12th. That's the kind of move. Probably the easier ones would be on the second and third strings. Or you could do it on the third and fourth strings. Works on the fourth and fifth string. You could also do it out of these little, like this extension box. BB King extension box off your regular old pentatonic shape. But again, we're playing the relative minor C sharp. So essentially we're playing E major pentatonic. Alright, so that's my lesson on this song. It's a great song. I think it should become very well known. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.